Spring has finally sprung, and one of my favorite things about this season are the beautiful flowers you encounter outside. To try to bring some of that beauty inside, I want to recreate some paper flowers with you today. Let's check it out. Hi there, I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, where I'm an adult services librarian. My job is to bring the information you want or need to you when you want or need it. And even though I'm not physically in the library today, I hope I can do just that, which is why I'm coming to you for another how-to video, how to make paper flowers. Let's take a look at what we will need to make these paper flowers. We'll need a writing utensil, a pair of scissors, a ruler, a glue stick, 5 paper clips, and a piece of paper. Something like a catalog or a magazine could be really useful. You could use a coloring paper, you could use scrapbook paper, recycled printing paper, gift wrap. There are a lot of options to make these paper flowers. And if you're looking to display them like I've got them here, you're going to need a stick and a hot glue gun. Now that we've got all our materials together, let's get started. The first step in making our paper flowers is to create squares of paper 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. So I've got my paper here on the back side. I'm going to mark off squares 3.5 inches by 3.5 inches. There you have it. You can see my 3.5 square inch piece of paper. Now I'm going to cut along the lines that I drew. And there we have it, some square pieces of paper. So I'm going to set aside my extras. We only need 5 squares, so 1 square I'll set aside maybe for a different project. So I've got my 5 squares. I'm going to select one to work with first and put these others aside for now. I'm going to take my square of paper and decide which one is the wrong side. So the wrong side means, what do I want to not appear on my project? I want this beautiful color to be on the outside of the petal, so the wrong side is the blank side. It might be helpful to me to indicate which side is the wrong side, just so I remember. Great, and then I'm going to place my piece of paper like a diamond with one point facing my belly button, wrong side up.
Fold the paper horizontally through the widest part of the diamond to make a triangle. Bring the right point up to meet the center point. Crease and repeat with the left side. Fold the right flap so the side that was previously lying around the center line is now lying along the lower right side. Crease and repeat with the left side. Slide a finger into the folds. Flatten the creases you've already made and repeat on the left. We'll see that again now. So you'll slide a finger into the fold, push together, and flatten. Turn the piece over and you should see 2 triangles of the wrong side. Fold these triangles down. Unfold those triangles and turn the piece over once more. Slide a finger into the flattened right flap and tuck that folded triangle from the last step into the gap you've created. Repeat on the left. Fold the bottom right-hand corner along the previous crease and repeat on the left. When you fold the sides together, it should make a W and 1 petal of the flower. So we'll go ahead and put glue on those sides that'll come together. Bend the piece so the glued flaps touch. And then secure the glued flaps with a paper clip. Push the paper clip as far down as it'll go. Repeat these steps 4 more times for a total of 5 petals. Let dry completely. When all the petals are dry, you can go ahead and remove the paper clips. Now we're going to be putting our flower together. So take your glue stick and apply glue to one side of the flower petal. Grab another flower petal and stick them together. Now use your paper clips to combine the 2 petals. We'll repeat that for the other petals. When we get to the last petal, we'll put glue on both sides. Shape the flower as needed. Make sure your paper clips are secure and let dry. If you want to attach your flower to a stem, thread the stem through the hole at the bottom. Grab your hot glue gun and fill the middle of the flower with hot glue. Careful for your fingers. Let dry by holding the flower together. Remove the paper clips and then you're done.
Thanks for watching. Today, we made paper flowers out of paper and some household materials. Did you follow along with us? Leave a comment below about what your experience is, and let me know what crafts you've made this week. I'm always on the lookout for some great recommendations, and I love to try new crafts. If you're the same, you might really enjoy Creative Bug, our library's database of crafting classes. Creative Bug offers hundreds of videos with master crafters, all available free with your library card. You'll find content from cake decorating to knitting, to painting, and paper crafts. The step-by-step videos will take you through crafts for all ability levels, and the community will let you show off what you make and connect with fellow creatives. What a great way to nurture your creative spirit. I hope you'll check them out after you're done with this video. Like and share if you got something out of our craft today, and don't forget to subscribe for great content from the Goffstown Public Library, like book talks for all ages, story times, how-tos, crafts, and more. I'll see you back here next Wednesday for another how-to video. In the meantime, connect with the Goffstown Public Library on our social media, or visit goffstownlibrary.com to see what we're up to. Again, I'm Michelle with the Goffstown Public Library, and I'll check you out later. Bye!